Have you ever wished for a digital asset that combined the stability of the US dollar with the revolutionary efficiency of blockchain technology? Imagine being able to send money globally, almost instantly, with minimal fees, all while knowing its value won't suddenly plummet like a volatile cryptocurrency. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's precisely the promise of stablecoins, and today, we're diving deep into one of the most prominent and regulated players in this space, the Gemini dollar, or GUSD. Stablecoins are a fascinating bridge between the traditional financial world and the burgeoning crypto economy. They aim to solve the notorious price volatility of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum by pegging their value to a more stable asset, most commonly fiat currencies like the US dollar. This stability makes them incredibly useful for a variety of purposes, from day-to-day transactions and remittances to acting as a safe haven during market downturns. But not all stablecoins are created equal. Some are algorithmic, relying on complex smart contracts to maintain their peg, while others are collateralized, meaning they are backed by real-world assets. GUSD falls firmly into the latter category, and its approach to collateralization and regulation sets it apart. At its core, GUSD is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. This means it benefits from Ethereum's robust security, transparency, and vast ecosystem of decentralized applications, dApps. But the crucial element that gives GUSD its stability is its 1:1 peg to the US dollar. This isn't just a theoretical promise, it's backed by actual US dollars held in reserve by Gemini Trust Company, LLC. So, who is Gemini Trust Company, LLC? Founded in 2014 by twin brothers Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, Gemini is a New York chartered trust company that operates as a cryptocurrency exchange and custodian. The Winklevoss twins, known for their early involvement with Bitcoin and their advocacy for regulatory clarity in the crypto space, built Gemini with a security-first and ask-for-permission, not forgiveness ethos. This philosophy has heavily influenced the design and operation of GUSD, making it one of the most regulated and transparent stablecoins available. Gemini's commitment to compliance is evident in its regulation by the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, a highly respected financial regulator. This regulatory oversight means GUSD adheres to stringent financial practices, cybersecurity requirements, and capital reserve requirements, offering a significant layer of trust and security that many other stablecoins simply don't possess. Let's break down how GUSD maintains its 1:1 peg to the US dollar, because this is where the rubber meets the road for any stablecoin. For every GUSD token in circulation, Gemini holds $1 US in reserve. These reserves are not just held anywhere, they are strategically placed in a combination of FDIC-insured bank accounts, money market funds invested solely in U.S. Treasury obligations, and direct U.S. Treasury obligations. This multi-pronged approach to reserve management aims to ensure both liquidity and security, offering an additional layer of protection for GUSD holders. But how do you know these reserves actually exist? Transparency is key, and Gemini understands this. They engage an independent registered accounting firm, BPM LLP, to conduct monthly attestations of GUSD's cash reserves. These attestations aren't just once-a-month snapshots. BPM LLP also conducts attestation examinations on one randomly selected business day each month. This regular and independent verification provides a high degree of assurance that the GUSD in circulation is indeed fully backed by an equivalent amount of US dollars. You can typically find these attestation reports publicly available on Gemini's website, allowing anyone to verify the backing of the stablecoin. The process of acquiring and redeeming GUSD is designed to be straightforward and reinforce its peg. When you want to acquire GUSD, you typically deposit US dollars into your Gemini account and convert them into GUSD. At this point, new GUSD tokens are minted or created on the Ethereum blockchain, corresponding to the US dollar amount you deposited. Conversely, when you want to redeem GUSD for US dollars, you initiate a sale on the Gemini platform. The equivalent GUSD tokens are then burned or destroyed, and the corresponding US dollars are credited to your Gemini account. This direct minting and burning mechanism ensures that the supply of GUSD always matches the amount of USD held in reserve, which is fundamental to maintaining its stable value. And a significant benefit for users is that Gemini typically charges no fees for converting USD to GUSD or GUSD back to USD on their platform. So, why would you use GUSD? What are its primary use cases? Firstly, and perhaps most importantly, GUSD offers a stable store of value in the volatile cryptocurrency market. If you're a crypto trader looking to take profits without converting back to traditional fiat currency, or if you want to shelter your assets from market downturns without fully exiting the crypto ecosystem, GUSD provides that stability. It acts as a reliable digital representation of the US dollar on the blockchain, allowing you to quickly move in and out of volatile assets. Secondly, GUSD facilitates instant global payments and remittances. Traditional international money transfers can be slow, expensive, and subject to banking hours and various intermediaries. With GUSD, you can send US dollars anywhere in the world, 24/7, with transactions settling in minutes, not days, and often at significantly lower costs than traditional banking systems. This is a game changer for individuals sending money to family abroad, or for businesses making cross-border payments to suppliers and employees. Thirdly, GUSD is a vital component of the decentralized finance (DeFi) ecosystem. As an ERC20 token, GUSD is compatible with a vast array of DeFi protocols, including decentralized exchanges, DEXs, lending platforms, and yield farming protocols. Users can provide liquidity with GUSD on DEXs, participate in lending pools to earn interest on their holdings, or use it as collateral in various DeFi applications. While GUSD itself doesn't offer direct staking in the traditional sense, many platforms allow you to earn interest on your GUSD holdings by lending them out. Gemini's own Earn program is an example of this, where users can potentially earn yields on their GUSD balances. Fourthly, GUSD can be used for retail payments and large transactions. While still nascent, some businesses are beginning to accept stablecoins like GUSD for everyday purchases. Its stability makes it more appealing for merchants than highly volatile cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, GUSD is being explored for high-value transactions and even asset tokenization, such as in real estate security tokens where dividends can be distributed via blockchain-based assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.